ready to transform raw data into actionable insights. Let's dive into creating a powerful Qlik Sense dashboard in just minutes. First, open Qlik Sense and click Create New App. Give your app a descriptive name, like Sales Performance Dashboard, and click Create. This will open your new, blank app. Next, we need data. Click Add Data to start selecting your sources. You can choose from files, databases, or even web connections. For this example, we'll load an Excel file containing sales data. After selecting your data, review the table and field selections, making any necessary adjustments. Then, click Load Data to bring your data into Qlik Sense. Now the fun begins. Click Create New Sheet to start building your dashboard. Drag and drop visualizations from the left panel onto your sheet. Start with a KP object to display overall sales, then add a bar chart visualizing sales by region. Explore different chart types like pie charts for category breakdowns, scatter plots for correlation analysis, and maps for geographic insights. Customize each visualization by selecting dimensions and measures, and adjust the appearance using the Properties panel. Optimize your dashboard layout by resizing and positioning objects for clarity. Use containers to group related visualizations and create a visually appealing structure. Add text and images for context and branding. Enhance interactivity by adding filter panes, allowing users to drill down into specific data segments. Experiment with bookmarks to save specific filter selections and easily return to them later. Congratulations, you've successfully created a dynamic and insightful Qlik Sense dashboard. Now you can share your dashboard with others to drive informed business decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Qlik Sense tutorials.